Hi, my name's Ian Peters. I own Millington Custom Software. We're a small business who help other small businesses writing custom applications that tailor to their business needs. Here today with me is Mark, my brother. And Mark, would you mind introducing yourself?
So I'm Mark Peters. I run Quicksilver Chauffeur Drive. We're a provider of chauffeur services in Western Australia and the rest of Australia.
What do you do at Quicksilver?
So we provide high-profile individuals with high-quality vehicles for their personal transportation needs, whether it be for weddings, parties, airports, events, anything like that.
So in the course of your business, what applications and software do you use?
So the primary software that we use is Linksoft Limousine Manager. It's a customer relational software that's used for dispatch and booking. We also use the Microsoft Office suite, primarily using Excel and Outlook for analysis, and we also have a GPS tracking software that we have implemented.
So it sounds like a pretty typical small business setup. You've got several different software applications doing different things, but all sort of working together to run the business.
That's right.
What problems do you sometimes run into?
So our biggest problem is generally just minor little hiccups in our business where we might make mistakes and little things get missed, and it can often lead to very large problems by passengers being left standing.
So, 90 or 95% of the time, got no problems. All the jobs go off without a hitch. But then, in rare cases, there's delays or a job gets missed, and that can be a real problem for your business.
That's correct. I'd say 99% of the time, and often the things that go wrong are even beyond our control.
Have you had custom software written before?
I've never actually managed to get any custom software written for my business. Generally, the problem I've found is that most software developers are more interested in modifying me to fit their software than modifying the software to fit me.
If you're a business which has got $100 million of revenue and hundreds of employees, the software writers are happy to talk to you, but given you're a smaller business, lower turnover, you kind of have to adapt to them and pretty much go with whatever they give you.
Exactly, yes.
So this is also a pretty common problem I see at Millington, is businesses are using software to the best they can, but it doesn't quite do exactly what they want it to do, but they have to put up with it anyway because that's all they have. What would you say would the cost be to your company of a late job or an angry customer?
So an example as of recently, we had a CEO of a major mining company that we were supposed to pick up at 4:30 in the morning. Unfortunately, the driver slept through and we were given no word that the driver was not going to be at the pickup point on time. We ended up covering the costs of around $420 worth of flights, and a rough approximation of the loss of a customer across the life of their business is probably around about $1,000.
So this is the 1% of situations which can be very dear and costly to your business, because your business is known for its reliability and it's you're providing a premium service. But if you can't really afford to have those very occasional hiccups, even though it might seem like it very rarely happens, it can be really quite damaging to your operation.
That's correct. The most important thing to us is our ongoing reputation. Our industry 100% relies on word of mouth for advertising.
So after Mark came to me a couple months ago and we talked about this, we decided to get together and write an application that would sit between his limousine managing software and his tracking software, and that application would help solve some of the challenges Mark has. It would notify him in advance of any potential problem jobs and give him the opportunity to get from that 99% closer to 100% reliability, which is really important for his business. What I'd like to show you now is what we did and what we've developed as part of that, and also how Mark uses the application and how it benefits him in everyday business. Thanks, Mark.
No worries, thank you.